So this is Safe and Sound Your Car here. So this video is showing you how to change your current immobiliser code on your Go system. So first of all, what you want to do is enter your current code. Then you will get 2 indicator flashes. Then what you want to do is put your foot to the floor on the accelerator. Then enter your code again. Then you will get indicator flashes once, and it will keep flashing until you start entering your new code. So for instance, if we enter 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will get your flashes, and then you enter it again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you'll get your flashes. 2 flashes to confirm that's gone in. Then just simply let go of the accelerator and cycle the ignition off and then back on. Then what we're going to do is just foot on the brake, press your code 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you'll get an indication on the dash of 2 flashes. Then the car should start, and that's it. On the BMW, when you turn the car off on this particular model, which is the X4, it does arm straight away. So foot back on the brake, try to start the vehicle, and the car will not start until we enter the code. So I've still got my foot on the brake, 1, 2, 3, 4. Indicator flashes, and then start the vehicle. There we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.